Hi guys, I know, very long time. The last you saw me was the Kalank video and we have a lot of new followers since then, so thank you so much for being here and I'm very appreciative. But as you guys know, I'm not a very regular uploader, so the whole subscribe and bell icon thing becomes even more important. So I would really appreciate if you don't want to miss on my videos, just press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you actually get a notification when I upload something new. Now, I've done so many recreations, I thought I would do something that I actually do every day. So today I have an interview with Summers and I thought this would be the perfect makeup to do. So I'm just going to show you what I actually do, and this is not just something I'm doing for the videos. Okay, so today I'm going to start with my skincare as well, because a lot of you are really interested on like how to prep the skin. So I wash my face. So first I've used this Fresh Beauty Black Tea Serum. I've applied this all over my face and I'm just going to show you from the next step, which is going to be another face serum. It's actually almost like a facial oil, which is by my mom. This really helps my skin have like this glow from within, and I've been obsessed. I'm on my third bottle already. It's amazing, it smells great and it helps me have that like really inner glow. So I'm gonna shake it a bit and then apply this all over my skin. Next, I've taken this moisturizer by Origins. I absolutely love this moisturizer. It is really rich, and I really like to prep my skin with layers before makeup because it makes my skin extremely dry. And even though I don't have dry skin, makeup tends to absorb all the moisture from your skin. So I do this, and for my SPF, I know this is quite a few steps, but this is what makes your makeup look really good. So for the SPF, I'm going to take my Avene sunscreen and I'm going to apply this all over my face. So now that I've prepped my skin, I'm going to use my NARS eyeshadow base. You guys have seen this so many times, and I know I get a lot of complaints about not using a lot of drugstore products, but I actually use a mix of them. If you've noticed, I'm just not going to promote a product just because it's from the drugstore, even if I don't actually use it in my daily life. I want to show what I truly do, where I invest, where I save, and I don't want to fake it just for the gram or just for YouTube, bring in products and show it to you. I want to show you what I truly use. So I hope that makes sense and I hope you understand where I'm coming from. Now for summers, I actually like to keep it quite glowy, so I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown highlighting powder as my eyeshadow. I'm just going to do that with my hands, and I'm going to take this highlighter and put it all over my eyes. I'm actually in a bit of a rush because I have to be somewhere, so I'm going to rush this tutorial up and actually keep it real. Now I'm going to curl my lashes with my Tarte Curler. This is one of the best curlers I've ever used. Moving on to my mascara, I'm going to take the Benefit Bad Gal. So at this point, I again take my serum and actually use it as a lip oil. I think I use a lot of it. I know I must be looking quite shiny, but it's gonna all work out. Just calm down, okay? It's gonna look all natural glowy. I'm going to go put my false lashes off camera because I have an interview and I really want my eyes to pop. So I'm gonna do that and be back very quickly. So I'm moving on to my foundation. I'm going to use the NYX Total Drop Control. I already did my false lashes and eyeliner off camera. I actually have a specific video for my eyeliner, so I'm just going to link that. Didn't want to waste time, and like I said, I'm in a bit of a rush. So I'm using my NYX blender and I'm like dabbing the foundation in. Moving on to my concealer, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me. I don't know when I'm going to move on from this, but I just don't like anything else. I've tried so many products, I've tried so many concealers. Either they are too creamy or they are too like drying, but this one's just perfect. So I absolutely love it. I know it looks really white under the eyes, but it all settles down, and I'm sure you've heard like a lot of people say that, but it actually does settle down. So for brightening it further than that, I'm actually going to use my MAC Mineralized Concealer, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes and blend it. I'm actually sick, so you know what, I might actually do a voiceover of this. I'm not sure, I'll just see. If I actually do a voiceover, it's gonna be quite funny because then I'm like, but the voice is gonna be different. I think I've had too much coffee in the morning. I'm just talking nonsense. Anyway, next I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Haven't found anything better than this in drugstore, so I'm really sorry. But I know now every brand does them, so you can just try it out for yourself. But powder is something I anyway don't like, so then I don't want to take a chance on using like a not nice one. I'm just taking this on my sponge and I'm just going to dab it under my eyes to actually set my under eyes. Oh my gosh, I'm in such a rush. I'm so freaking late, it's not even funny. Okay, now I like to like bronze my skin a bit up for the summer, so I'm going to use this Smashbox stick bronzer, and I'm just going to quickly apply this very roughly on my cheeks. And I'm just going to blend this. I don't even need to fast forward these videos because I am in fast forward mode at the moment. For my bronzer, I'm going to use the Bahama Mama. You can see I've hit the pan. Absolutely love this. And I'm going to use the shade Frat Boy on my cheeks for my blush. For my blush, I'm directly going to dip my sponge in the product and apply it on my cheeks. This gives me like the most natural finish. So for that inner glow, I'm again going to take the face serum, but this time I'm just going to apply it on the high points of my face. Now I'm going to dip my sponge in the highlighter and again put it on the same points where I had put the serum. Oh my god, this glow is to die for. For some people it's shiny, but for me it's glowing. Oh my god, this is so good. Love it. Love it. I'm again going to do my brows off camera and be back. Next, I'm again going to apply the highlighter in my inner corners and my cupid's bow. I love highlighter on my cupid's bow. Finally, going to move on to my lipstick, and I'm going to use the lipstick by 3CE in the shade Mirror Like. This is my forever go-to lipstick. It's like, I love nudes and this is like the right nude for me. So for the final step, I use my Urban Decay spray to set my makeup, and that's it. I've opened my hair and that's it. I'm going to be out of the door. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you like this look. This is what I actually do. I love like a good skin work, and it's really glowy, it's really dewy, a nice eyeliner, big lashes, and that's about it. And please like this video, it would mean the world to me, and let me know what you think about this look. Thank you so much guys. Bye.